Hello, welcome to Study Circle. Today we are going to read Class 7th Geography, Chapter 6 Human Environment Interaction, the Tropical and Subtropical Regions. Life in the Amazon Basin. Human beings interact with the environment and are dependent on it for a number of things. The Amazon River Basin lies near the equator. Amazon River was discovered by a Spanish explorer named Vicente Yanes Pinzon. The river Amazon flows through a tropical region, lies very close to the equator between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south. It is referred to as the equatorial region. The place where a river flows into another body of water is called river's mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form a Amazon basin. The river basin drains portions of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and a small part of Venezuela. Climate of Amazon Basin. The Amazon Basin is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year as it present on the equator. Both day and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The skin feels sticky. It rains almost every day, that too without much warning. The day temperatures are high with very high humidity. At night the temperature goes down but the humidity remains high. Rainforest in Amazon Basin. Thick forests grow due to heavy rains. These forests are so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp, which and only shade-tolerant trees may grow here. Orchids, bromeliads grow as a plant parasites. The rainforest is rich in fauna. Birds such as toucans, hummingbirds, bird of paradise are found. Animals like monkeys, sloth, and ant-eating tapirs are found here. Various species of reptiles, snakes such as crocodiles, snakes, pythons, anaconda, and boa constrictor also thrive in the jungles. Several species of fishes, including the flesh-eating piranha fish, is also found in the river. People of the rainforest. Men hunt and fish along the rivers. Women take care of the crops. As hunting and fishing are uncertain, it is the women who keep their families alive by feeding them the vegetables they grow. People practice slash and burn agriculture. The staple food is manioc, also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like the potato. They mainly grow tapioca, pineapple, and sweet potato. They also eat queen ants and egg sacs. Cash crops like coffee, maize, and cocoa are also grown. The rainforest provide a lot of wood of the house. Some families live in thatched house shaped like beehives, while other lives in large apartment like house called maloka with a steeply slanting roof. Life of people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing. Amazon highway made all parts of rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are also used for reaching various places. The indigenous population was pushed out from the area and forced to settle in new areas where they continued to practice their distinctive way of farming. The developmental activities are leading to the gradual destruction of the biologically diverse rainforest. Life in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. The tributaries of river Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin in Indian subcontinent. The basin lies in subtropical region that is situated between 10 degree north and 30 degree north latitudes. The tributaries of river Ganga like Ghagra, the Son, the Chambal, the Gandak, and the Kosi. The tributaries of Brahmaputra like Dibang River, Lohit River, Tista, and Manas drain it. Main features of this basin is that the plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra, the mountains and the foothills of the Himalaya, and the Sundarban Delta. Climate. The area is dominated by monsoon climate. The monsoon brings rain from mid-June to mid-September. The summers are hot and winters are too cool. Topography. The basin area has varied topography. The mountain areas with steep slopes have inhospitable terrain, therefore less number of people in the mountain area. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in the plains because soil is fertile. The density of population of plain is very high. Paddy is the main crop, while other crops grown are wheat, maize, sorghum, gram, millets, jute, and sugarcane. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown. In West Bengal and Assam, tea is grown. Silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworm in parts of Bihar and Assam. Crops are grown on terraces in the mountain and hills. Vegetation. The vegetation cover of the area varies according to the type of landforms. In the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, tropical deciduous trees grow along with teak, shal, and peepal. In parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, coniferous trees like pine, devdar, and fir can be seen. Wildlife. Elephant, tigers, deer, and monkeys are common. The one-horned rhinoceros is found in Brahmaputra plain. In delta area, Bengal tiger, crocodiles, and alligators are found. The most popular varieties of fish are rohu, katla, and hilsa. Fish and rice is the staple diet of the people living in the area. Towns and cities. The cities of Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna and Kolkata, all with the population of more than 10 lakhs, are located along the Ganga River. The waste water from these towns and industries is discharged into the rivers which pollute the rivers. Transportation. All the four ways of transport are well developed in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. In the plain areas, roadways and railway transport the people from one place to another. The waterways, it is an effective means of transport, particularly along the rivers. The plain area also has a large number of airports. Tourism centers. Tourism is another important activity of basins. Some important places of India are the Taj Mahal on the banks of River Amuna in Agra, Buddhist stupas in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, etc. Some important glossary from this chapter is that mouth, the place where a river flows into another body of water, is known as river's mouth. Tributaries, these are small rivers that join the main river. Bromeliads, these are a special plant that store water in their leaves, found in Amazon basin. Slash and burn agriculture. It is a type of cultivation in which farmers clear a patch of land by cutting down trees and bushes. These are then burnt, which releases the nutrients into the soil. Now the field becomes ready for growing crops. Manioc. This is the staple food of the people of Amazon basin. Maloka. Maloka is the large apartment-like houses with steeply slanting roofs are called malokas. Population density. It refers to the number of persons that live in 1 square kilometer of area. Terrace farming. It is a type of farming in which terraces are built on steep slopes to create flat surfaces on which crops are grown. The slope is removed so that water doesn't run off rapidly. Piranha. It is a type of fish that eat flesh. So thank you.